Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Airtable with LinkedIn for candidate databases. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log into your Airtable account. Navigate to the base where you want to authenticate LinkedIn. Click on the Extensions button in the top right corner of the screen. In the Extensions panel, select Add an extension. Search for the LinkedIn integration in the Marketplace. Click on the LinkedIn extension to open its settings. You will see a prompt to connect to LinkedIn. Click on the Connect button to begin the authentication process. A new window will pop up asking you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and sign in. Next, grant Airtable the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn profile. After granting permissions, you'll be redirected back to the Airtable extension. Your LinkedIn account should now be linked to your Airtable base. To test the integration, create a new record in your candidate database. Use the LinkedIn extension to pull candidate information directly into Airtable. Fill in the fields as required and hit save. You should now, if you encounter any issues, double-check your LinkedIn permissions. That concludes the authentication process for LinkedIn with Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.